How to turn on live activities on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your current passcode over here. You will then be brought to the Face ID and Passcode settings page. Over here, you can manage apps using Face ID and other iPhone access settings, set up alternative appearances and change your passcode. Scroll down to the Allow Access When Locked section below. Here, turn on the Live Activities feature. Live Activities is a feature that displays real-time, interactive updates from apps on the lock screen. They allow users to stay informed about ongoing events or tasks without needing to unlock their device or open the app. Following these steps, you can easily turn on live activities on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.